Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the tools and confirming compatibility. Verify the firmware file is the exact CDJ2000 version and place it on a FAT32 USB stick. Once done, back up your record box library and export performance crates so nothing is lost. Power down the unit and connect the USB stick to the top USB port. Make sure the mixer and speakers remain off to avoid audio spikes. These steps prevent bricking and data loss, and they shorten recovery if an update fails. You now start the installation. Hold the USB stop button as you power the deck to trigger update mode, because that forces the bootloader to read the firmware file. Once the display shows the update prompt, confirm and let the process run. The deck will copy files and verify integrity. Make sure not to remove the USB or lose power. Interruptions can corrupt the system. If it takes longer than expected, remain patient. Verification steps often account for most of the elapsed time. Finish by rebooting the deck normally and checking the system menu to confirm the new firmware version. This verifies installation. Next, reconnect your record box library, inspect key cue points, loops, and confirm HID and Pro DJ link operation so performances are uninterrupted. If something goes wrong, try a fresh USB stick with the same firmware and repeat the process, or enter service recovery mode as a last resort. Remember, methodical retries often fix issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.